Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto. First, you open up your Coinbase app. Okay, go down, look at what crypto you want to buy. I'm going to buy some AMP. Okay, you can see my balance right there. Go to the bottom, push trade, buy AMP. I want to buy $1,000. The little cash USD, that's how much money I have in the account at the moment. Preview buy. Okay, I'll be getting 176,485 coins, each at the price of 0.0057 cents. I got Coinbase 1, so you can do market buys for no fee, and my total is going to be $1,000. Buy now. Just wait, don't want to do anything else. You bought 176,477.3 coins of AMP. So that's it guys, that's how it's done. If you guys want to learn more about crypto, just follow this page.